what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you guys again. I'm just so thrilled to be here. I was going through my YouTube channel and I saw that I had this video from like over a year ago about like a natural makeup tutorial, and obviously I literally don't touch anything that I used in that tutorial anymore, so I thought it would be fun to just do a little updated one. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? I actually made this scrunchie. Shout out to you, Lauren, if you're watching this. So I actually have like a little makeup hangy thing. This guy here. How I like to start off my makeup tutorials and just like my makeup daily routine is I like to moisturize. So I have a couple different things I use, just like kind of depending on the day. I have this like Mary Kay stuff. I also have the Body Shop Drops of Youth, which I actually think is like an anti-aging cream, but it is so good for your skin. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm basically obsessed with the Body Shop. The majority of the products you'll see me use today are from the Body Shop. Next, what I like to do is use a little toner. It was like Mario Badescu, but it wasn't like $12, it was like $4. So foundation, I like to just throw this stuff all over my face. This is also by the Body Shop, and I also have this brush by the Body Shop. The majority of their products, I believe all of them, but I don't want to say all unless I'm wrong. They're usually cruelty-free for animals, and I'm trying to go vegetarian, but I'm trying really, really hard to stick with it. I've been going at it for 1 week now. Like, I've been making vegan hot dogs and like vegan, like not ground beef, but it's like ground beef, but it's vegan. And like, you can barely taste the difference. Next up on my list is eyebrows. To start off, this was actually in one of my vlogs, or probably more than one of my vlogs, but I just use lash primer on my eyebrows to mat them down. And this guy here is like an e.l.f. brow pencil that my grandma bought from the drugstore, didn't like it, and gave it to me. So, anyways, I'm just gonna fill in the really blonde spots in my brows. Just kind of get an even color all over the place. It was really convenient that my grandma gave this to me, and it's literally the same color as my eyebrows. So there we are. The brows are nice and there now. I really hate it when people do like super like overpowering eyebrows and like that's literally all you can look at when you're like having a conversation with them. Hey, how's it going? Nothing much, you? And you're just like looking at their eyebrows the whole time. That was a good little skit, am I right, guys? I have 3 different blushes I use. So I have a Body Shop, it's like a highlighter dome, and I have this little guy. I have no idea what it is. I have the Body Shop lip and cheek stain in the color Dark Cherry. I'm actually gonna go for the powder today. I usually don't use powders a lot, just because I feel like it looks cakey, but so I'm actually coming in with the exact same brush that I use for basically everything, just tapping off the excess powder. I love blush. I also love like coral colors, like, well, I think it looks good. So next up, another little Body Shop product. My friend actually gave it to me. It's a little like shimmery lipstick by the Body Shop. Throw that bad boy on here. It's not super noticeable, but like, it just gives your lips a little shimmer, because I like that. Next up, I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow. We're just gonna go in with this middle color here. It's like a little bronzy color. And just brush it on there. I feel like I'm talking like Bob Ross right now. Just happy little mistakes. Brush it on there. Second last, Lash Sensational mascara. This part's so awkward because I'm just like putting mascara on and you're just like watching me. Last step is some highlighter. Now I have, I'm going to use my stick highlighter from an Amazon website. So this guy is like very, very like bright. Like as soon as it's there, it's there. I just like to rub a little on my finger. I'm gonna see if I can edit this tonight and get it up by tomorrow. I'm gonna get it up by tomorrow. That sounds more realistic. Pro tip from Sam. Set realistic goals for yourself. Set goals that are realistic for you. And don't compare yourself to others. She's there. Oh, I love highlighter so much. To finish it off, I just took this guy, my toner again, and I just sprayed on my face once more. I don't know why I do it. Maybe it's for good luck. So this is the final look. I'll take my hair down and... So if I'm going out or if I'm going to work and I want to look a little cute, racking some tips, you know what I mean? You got that coral blush, that highlight, the eyebrows, shimmery lips. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, you're a real gem. If you don't know me, my name is Samantha Madison and this is my YouTube channel. I make fun little vlogs. Travel montages, travel vlogs. I'm thinking of doing some travel tips, so leave a thumbs up if you think that sounds fun. I'm really sorry for the short video today, but I kind of just thought of it, made it, and then edited it all in the same day, so bear with me, you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Take care, leave a like, and until next time.